welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today we are going to be taking a review, an unboxing of the Rusty's Racing Center trainee of Ernesto. So let's get right into the review, and I cannot, for some reason, focus him in the center of the camera. But anyway, if you're new, please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And also, this is day 4 of the 25 Days of Christmas. So on the packaging, you see the Blue Desert packaging of Ernesto, which is one of the trainees released during this time frame. Ernesto was number 25. Oh, that's cool. And the 95 on the side for the Rusty's Racing Center. On the back, you see the the Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen, which he used to be such a valuable car back in 2017 when he was released only at Target. The Trainer Cruz Ramirez is kind of a waste of materials in my opinion, and the Ernesto. Well, let's get this guy unboxed. So let's get into the review of Ernesto. Now, like I always say, Ernesto is not one of my... Wait, where was this made? Thailand. Now they changed up the eye thing. That's cool. Well, Ernesto, if you've been around my channel, you know, in my opinion, these boxier next gens are the worst next gens, in my opinion, because they have very little aerodynamics, in my opinion. But on the side, you see the 25. So, yeah, that would have been interesting. You know, I would love for, like, Disney to, like, show what each of these guys' paint schemes would look like if they were to fill in Lightning McQueen's 95 spot. Because every other car that you ever see in the movie has the same number, besides a few of them. When in Cars 3 they switched from the Cars 1 numbers. But in Cars 3, McQueen was sponsored. I think we'll just change the number 2, which is weird. But on the back, you see the 25, and I would love to be able to tell which one, or which car this is based off of, but I'm not that good. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, leave a comment. Or Ernesto, where are you going? Let me know what your favorite part of the video was, and I'll see you guys next time.